everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. I have another actually two unboxings for you today. I saw something on Poshmark and I wasn't 100% sure of the color. I have not seen it yet. I've only undid the boxes so that I could get them open, but I thought I'd take a chance on this. Somebody had a bag listed. It was in gently used condition. I offered a price that, to be honest, I didn't think they'd accept, but they did. I actually offered the price 8 minutes after it was listed for the first time, and they accepted it. So I was a little scared, because to be honest, I didn't think they'd accept it, especially with as new as the listing was. But the person had good feedback on Poshmark, and so I thought I'd share it here. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So they had the plastic bags in here, and then the presentation looks like this. So this is nice. I got a little card, and it says, "Thank you. Dear Jamie, thank you so much for your purchase. Enjoy." That is so nice. And it was only one thing, so this is a surprise. Oh, okay. It is still just one thing. Oh, this is awesome. This, I believe it's the strap. So far, I am loving this. And I believe they had 3 pictures of it on here. So, okay. Oh, this is awesome. This is a mini crossbody. Oh, this is so nice. Zipped tote.
Let me guess. Portland,
leather guts. And, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. So, I don't know what color this is. I'm going to have to do some research. This is gorgeous.
it's not black.
Right. This is so nice. So that's, yeah, here's the strap, and I don't know, this is kind of like a bluish gray. It looked a little bit lighter on the website. In fact, I kind of thought it was like an off-white, and I was a little worried too, because again, I just didn't think she'd take my offer. And so I, when I saw it, I thought it was a little bit lighter, and I was a little bit worried about color transfer because I always wear jeans. But no, this is beautiful. And here's the inside. The mini zips don't have a pocket or anything. They just have the nice suede lining.
Is that zip or snap?
It's zip. So this is my first unboxing. This is beautiful. Wow. This was on Poshmark. Like I said, I saw it 8 minutes after it got listed. So here's the front, just the side, the back, and here. And I guess now, watching Autumn's videos, I learned that some of this, the variation in color is called pull. So there's some of that. This has like some lines in it, but I believe that's right in the leather, not like a problem with the color or anything. This is gorgeous. So I don't know, is this Storm? I don't know for sure what color this is, so I'm gonna have to research it, and if any of you know, you can tell me. So that's my first item that was just off of Poshmark. Now my next item was, ever since I did my mystery unboxings,
Plural.
Yeah, I wanted to do some more. And Autumn Beckman put a thing on that said, hey, they have the mystery boxes back. So, hey, I went back, and oh, I like the mini zip. I've decided that. I have my 2 mediums. I bought a beautiful sugar medium from Autumn, and then I got my violet in my medium mystery box unboxing. But, and those will be good. I'll be happy with those. I have some Lolas and some things, so I think I'm good there, but I love the minis. So, they did have 1 mini with some littles, and so I purchased that, and that's what I'm unboxing here. I'll put it up here. So, it comes like this. And I know now not to look at what the wrapper says, because it'll tell you what it is. And I did not look at the side of the box either, because I know that'll tell you what it is. So it just comes with this nice little thank you card. And they usually put the littles inside the bag. This time, one of them is outside the bag. And you know what? I'm going to open that one first. And again, without looking at the back side, because the back sticker will tell you what it is. Not me, because I'm not looking. Open this up here. Oh, I almost turned it over and looked. Oh! Never mind, I ordered this. This isn't one of the littles. I ordered the sunflower.
Oh.
I thought that's what this was when I felt it, so I was all excited. So I bought this sunflower card holder. I had been debating on buying a bag in this color every time I've ordered. And in fact, my first order was going to be one of these. And then I saw it and I didn't think it was as yellow as I wanted. So I've just been itching to see the color in person, and she's beautiful. But yeah, definitely not the color I thought it was. Definitely a lot more on the gold side than kind of the bright yellow it almost looks like on the website. So I got this. No wonder it wasn't in the bag. All right. So here's my mystery. Okay, it feels soft, like it's not a hard leather. Feels pebbly. Now, wouldn't you just laugh if it was this color? Because I would. Oh. This isn't the mystery boxing either.
There's more?
Yeah, the single mystery box hasn't come. This is the other bag I ordered.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
This is...
Autumn, you got some splaining to do.
I got the mini or the smaller size, what is this called? Bucket bag. I have never gotten a bucket bag. I have never wanted a bucket bag until Yoda showed her nutmeg one, and I just thought it was so cute. And then she got the blue one, and I'm like, I need one, and I need something in eucalyptus because I don't have anything in eucalyptus. So I purchased this one. So this time they split up my order. Okay, so see, we're gonna have some more unboxings coming because these were the separate things that I ordered from there, and this just opens up. Let's see. Oh, okay. So there is, like, you're never gonna be able to see this. There is a slip pocket in here. Good thing I have such a good cameraman who can kind of show you in there. So there is actually a slip pocket in here, and then the tag way down in there it does have a Portland leather goods tag in there. But this is the small size of the bucket bags. So like I said, I never wanted one before ever until I saw Yoda's blue one in her did I say nutmeg? No, cold brew. That's what she got. So I got this. Like this is hilarious. So I thought this was my mystery box. It's not. That one's coming along with one more. And so
I'm busy then.
So actually that's what I have to show you today. They split my order up. I'm really surprised they did that. I guess I hadn't realized it. So I have the tote in eucalyptus, and then
that's
gold,
a bucket bag.
The bucket, yes, that's right. Look at how good he is, girls. Look at that. And then I got this gold card holder, and then I got my beautiful tote off of Poshmark. So this was a surprise. This is darker than I thought it was going to be, and frankly, I like it better even than I thought. Every time they surprise me with the color, I actually end up liking it more than the color that I thought it was when I already did like the color I thought it was. But so these are my items. That means I have another mystery box coming that I'll show you an unboxing of, and then I have another mystery box coming that I'll show you an unboxing of, and maybe a few other little things along the way. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. I love having you subscribe, leave comments. I love interacting with everybody in the comments. It helps me get to know you guys a little better. and you guys get to know me a little better. You can find me over on Instagram. That's James Jam as well, but it's Jame, Jame _S _Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.